Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make slime properly. Like, some people tried to make slime but it failed. So today I am here to teach you how to make it properly. What you'll need is a mixing tool, a bowl. Glitter glue or glitter or any other color is optional, but I'm using glitter glue. White glue, clear glue, it's optional. Again, I'm using both. I will use both of them to show you how to make clear and how to make white. You will need a slime activator, and you can have some other stuff like shaving foam, clay, foam balls, any of that. So let's get straight on to the video. I just got some fine soap. So first I'm going to make white glue, and you will need to, oh gosh, this is hard. Oh gosh, that was hard as, but anyways, I think I'm gonna use all of it. So you're just gonna add in glue. Okay. So then when you finished adding your glue, water is optional. Yeah, water is 100% optional. You're gonna add some glitter. Okay, this might take long, so come back to you guys when I've added the glitter. When you've added the glitter, you can add some foam soap. This is new, so oh gosh, I don't know how to. Okay. I want it quite bubbly, so I added some foam soap. And I'm also going to add some, that was a lot, I'm going to add some lotion. I just did, and now you're going to mix. When you've added all your ingredients that you wanted, you're going to now activate it with your slime activator. So you're going to add, you don't need any measuring cups. You're going to add little by little, okay? It's little. Don't add a lot at once, or else your slime might be too over-activated. So I'll be doing this for probably like 5 times. This is like my 5th time adding the activator little by little. And it's off the bowl, but it's still going on the bowl at the same time. So I'm still going to mix. And I'm going to add this much more. So when it's a tiny bit activated. Actually, it depends on how strong your activator is. So I'll come back to you guys when this is not sticky at all. Okay guys, so this is very fluffy. And I just wanted to say that if your slime doesn't work even though you used exactly the same, that is because your glue isn't the right glue to use, so it's not the right glue, so it wouldn't activate. Your glue needs to have PVA. If it's like wood glue, it might not work, but craft glue works 100%. So let me put the slime in a container. So I have this container, and let's get on to the next one. Okay, so the next slime, the slime activator, Next one is clear glue. I think I'm gonna use all of this because there's not that much. So yeah, I'll come back when I poured all the glue. Okay, so I added all the clear glue. Oh, that nearly spilled. Like the more you want it to be clear, the more you need to mix slowly. So I'm gonna add little by little, and like always, I am going to come back when I have nearly finished.